and this is a testament that women can be multifaceted and thrive in male-dominated industries. Beyond these titles, I was raised by my family and my country to have ambition, faith, and authenticity. These three values are what drives me to empower women, embrace cultures, and embody the beauty within. I am Zina Ramos, your Miss Global.